Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook notifications not working. Missing Facebook notifications can cause you to overlook important messages, updates, or activity. This issue is often related to app settings, phone permissions, or background restrictions. This guide will walk you through how to fix Facebook notifications not working on your Android device. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap All Apps. Find and tap Facebook from the list of apps. Tap Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on or turn it on if disabled. Go back and tap Permissions. Ensure required permissions, like notifications, are enabled or on the Allowed section. Return and tap Battery or Battery Usage. Set it to Unrestricted or disable battery optimization. Go back to your home screen and open the Facebook app. Tap the menu or the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Tap Notifications and review each category like comments, messages, or tag. So for example, I'll tap on comments. Make sure all important notification types are enabled. Finally, restart your phone to apply all changes. Tip: keeping the app updated from the Google Play Store can also help fix notification issues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.